These are only $3. They're amazing, and I got every single one of them. You can purchase them on elfcosmetics.com, or you can get them in the store. They're very limited in the store because everyone and their mom has been talking about these. Guys, they are so great. So if you want to see a full review, demo, a tutorial, and swatches of these, then just keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys swatches and doing a full review of these new e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. These are only $3, like I mentioned already, and they are amazing. I am going to be showing you guys how I got this look that's on my eyes right now, so if you want to see that, be sure you stay tuned and watch this full video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys as well throughout the video a few looks that I have done with these palettes. It'll just be pictures because I haven't done a tutorial on them, but if you guys ever want to see a tutorial using these, any specific ones, I definitely always do y'all's request. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys swatches of all these. What I'm going to do is just show a really up close like video. Like, I'm just going to open them up like this, show you what they look like, and then I'm going to swatch them onto my hand for you guys so you can see what it looks like. It's still daylight out here, so I'm just going to do it in natural lighting, and so you guys can see the pigmentation and all that. And I will come on and let you guys know, or I will just swatch it just one time, and then I'll show you if I have to build up some color or not, because some eyeshadows are like that with these, but some of them are extremely pigmented. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start with the swatches.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone. I could be with
Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off. So, I have to record downstairs right now because my boyfriend is in the middle of playing D&D upstairs and I don't want to interrupt. So, a full review on these eyeshadows for you guys. They blend out amazing. I feel like they're very pigmented. The more neutral ones, you do have to really like pack on. I do recommend if you wear the shimmer, the first time that I tried that on, I did this look right here, and I had issues with, because I do wear glasses all day, every day, I had issues with it falling out onto my glasses, which that usually does happen as well when I use the ColourPop Jelly Much shadows, or like their cream glitter shadows. And even if I use a glitter glue with that, it still falls out. But I tried a glitter glue with this, the e.l.f. shimmer, any of the shimmers in these palettes, and it does stick to it, and I have no fallout whatsoever. So keep that in mind if you do wear glasses. I don't ever not wear glasses. I didn't really see much fallout on my face from any of it, but I saw it on my glasses, which gets kind of annoying because if you wear glasses, you know it's annoying when you get stuff on your glasses. Other than that, it blends out amazing. These are so awesome for $3. I think that they should make ones that have like bright colors in it. I think it would be so awesome. If you agree with me on that, comment down below, let me know. But it would be so cool if they did like just, yeah, and a rainbow one, like ones with more red shades, purple shades, pink shades. e.l.f. is just killing it, and especially since these palettes are $3, I highly, highly recommend them to you guys. So if you have tried these out, let me know down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you stick around. Be sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button. I will be having a giveaway coming up very shortly. I hope everyone's staying safe during these crazy times and staying quarantined and staying inside your house. I have been very motivated to do more fun makeup looks and stuff, so I've hoped you guys enjoyed. Be sure you do follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.